Hello guys, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this video I will show you how you can create QR code in Canva. So it's really quite simple and it will not take that much time from your precious time. It's really easy. What you can do, simply go to Canva and the search bar, simply search QR code. So you will get all these options that is available over there. So you can see there is lots of options available over there, and it's depend on your interest and your requirement which type of QR code you are preparing. And for example, I am going to prepare QR code for YouTube channel. So for example, I am interested in this one, so I will choose this, the red one. So I will open it, and then I will do a little bit modification according to my requirement. And then on the left side, then on the left side you can see there is option of apps. So I will click here, and then on the search bar I will write QR code generator. So for example, you can see there is lots of options available over there. It's again depend on your interest, what you want you can create from here. So for example, I am interested in dynamic QR code. I will click on this. So again, there is lots of options available over there. What you want to choose, you can choose it from here. So for example, I am interested in this one. I will click on this, and you can see that is open. So what I can do now, I will simply, you can see there is an option of link. So what I will do, I will go to my YouTube channel, Knowledge Elevator, and from there I will copy the link. Okay. So when I copy the link, simply get back to Canva, and there is option of link, so I will paste it. So there is another option. You can see there is a logo right over there. So what I can do, I will simply, for example, I am interested that I want my YouTube channel logo and the QR code at the center. So for that, what I can do, I will simply click on this option and upload the logo, and then click it here. So you can see there is logo added and the QR code. At the bottom you can see there is lots of options available when it comes to colors. So you can change beside that you can also change the background of your QR code. So for example, if you think that it's ready and it's done, so what you can do, simply click it here and it will edit here. Simply go to the template that you choose and adjust your QR code here. So it's ready. What you can do, for example, you're thinking that it's ready and you don't want to do any modification, there is option available over there. So at the top there is a search option available. What you can do, if you want to save, so click it here, and you can download your QR code and different forms. So like you can say that will be in GPG and PNG and PDF SNU. So you can download it from here. Thank you so much for your time. If you think that this video helps you, so simply go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in next video. Thank you.